Right, after visiting the Icon Mall the other day, we decided to go in the other direction and go to a lower cost mall, which is first the Platinum Fashion Mall, which is over in Ratchatree, and then switched that up and then jumped on the BTK and went over to the MBK Center, and that is over in Wang Mai. So again, both low cost shopping malls. Check that out. Very cool. Creature from Alien. This has got to be the fanciest Starbucks I have ever seen. Man, look at this place. Wow. Crazy. Okay, so I'm guessing MBK Center. Straight on in. Okay, the MBK Center, the Green Hills of Thailand. Alright, so this is MBK, which is the Thai equivalent to the Green Hills Mall in Manila. So this is the MBK Mall here.
High quality.
Dans la chambre de Saint-Michel. Est-ce que j'aurai Saint-Michel? Okay. I'll go down. Let's go down. Oh. Shoes and more shoes. Ton of knockoffs. Oh, I don't know, sweetie. They all start looking the same to me.
And like in most Thai malls, there's a variety of local cuisine, plus the usual hamburgers and Western food as well. So plenty to pick from.
Hello, balita.
And of course, you got to get the 200 baht Adidas tops. Got a couple of pairs of pants, like 300 baht a pop, so they're cheap. What Thailand is notorious for is Chinese knockoff for next to nothing. Which, when you think about it, it's a lot cheaper here than I would pay in other knockoff places, particularly in Green Hill in the Philippines. So, pretty good deal. And these Rolex watches were particularly authentic looking, even though they were counterfeit. Hello. Souvenirs galore. Well, it was a short one today, folks. Thought we'd just show you some of the little highlights we saw in these stores. Again, it's just a mall, and it's fun just kind of looking around. So, with that said, thanks, and want to wish you all mabuhay, and be sure to like and subscribe, and bye for now.